One of the clear signs to know whether your adult relationship may be dysfunctional or unhealthy is the amount of time you spend managing the feelings of the other and tiptoeing around their mood or their energy before you arrive at an authentic place. Now, with our children, it's okay to tiptoe around their energy, and it's okay to weigh in and wait and decide when is the best time to say what, because children are more unregulated and they need a lot more emotional care. But when you are in a relationship with an adult and you find yourself constantly nervous and constantly over managing the other person's moods, then it's time to question, is this relationship the right match? Is this relationship healthy for me? Or am I spending too much overwhelming energy managing the situation rather than flourishing into my most authentic self? Share this with someone who needs to hear this.